Hello, everybody. Exciting news. I got my camera to work, so this is perfect. Hi, my name is Julia, and today we'll be talking about how smart drug delivery systems powered by nanomedicine are transforming the way we treat cancer. These are cutting edge technologies that are helping us target tumors more precisely and reduce the harsh side effects of traditional chemotherapy. What exactly is nanomedicine? Nanomedicine refers to the use of nanotechnology for medical applications. In cancer treatment, it is used particles 100 nanometers or smaller, small enough to travel through the bloodstream and interact directly with cells or even molecules inside tumors, which is very new and exciting medicine. Why exactly are we moving away from the traditional chemotherapy? Here are some of the reasons. Traditional therapy can be effective, but it isn't very selective. It often kills healthy cells along with cancer cells, leading to serious side effects. That's where smart delivery systems come in. One successful example is Doxil, a liposomal form of the chemo drug doxorubicin. The liposome helps the drug accumulate in tumors due to leaky tumor vessels, a phenomenon called the enhanced permeability and retention, or EPR. This protects the heart and improves drug delivery. Another example is Bind 014, a targeted nonparticle in clinical trials. It carries the chemo drug doxetol and uses a targeting ligand to bind specifically to PSMA, a protein overexpressed in prostate cancer cells. This could increases precision and reduces off-target toxicity.
My area of research is drug delivery and nanomedicine. Nanomedicine is basically designing medicine at nanoscale. So we develop tiny particles which are so small that 5,000 of them can fit in the width of the human hair. The nanoparticles act as transport modules to carry and deliver the drugs to specific location into the body and target the disease site. So my lab works on design and developing nanoparticle platform technologies which comprise of proteins, lipids and hybrid nanoparticles to deliver the drug across various biological barriers. The recent work that we are doing is working on delivering drug to brain tumor. So we design nanoparticles which cross the blood-brain barrier and deliver drugs which would not have normally crossed this barrier to deliver the drug to brain tumor. Another area that we are working on is on lung surfactant coated nanoparticles for treating lung infections. These nanoparticles are delivered via inhalation to target the lung disease site, specifically in case of fungal infections. A third area of my work is cerebral malaria. So we have fabricated nanoparticles which are specifically to deliver antimalarial drugs to parasitized red blood cells. So nanomedicine is having a huge range of new innovations that can come in, which would change the future of therapeutics. It's going to change how the drugs are delivered. So nanomedicine is basically delivering the drugs at the right place, at the right time, in the right quantity, and where they are required. And that's what is going to change the whole scenario. We are doing research so that we can have new therapeutic interventions for the diseases which have been still hard to cure. The COVID-19 vaccine would not happen if there would have been no new research. I think that's a very recent example of why research is important. And nanomedicine is an area which is constantly expanding and emerging, and changes are happening every day.
How does it work at the cellular level? Once at the tumor site, these nanoparticles are taken up by cancer cells through a process called endocolysis. Inside the cell, they release their drug cargo, which interferes with cancer cells and triggers cell death. The benefits for nanomedicine are clear: smarter targeting, higher drug concentrations at the tumor, less harm to healthy tissues, and fewer side effects. Plus, these systems open the door to personalized medicine, tailored to a patient's specific tumor biology. The future of cancer treatment. As nanomedicine evolves, we may see smart delivery systems that also diagnose, monitor, and treat tumors, all in one device, which is absolutely amazing and kind of crazy. The future of oncology is not just about killing cancer, but doing it precisely, safely, and intelligently. In conclusion, smart drug delivery systems are not just a dream of the future, they are happening right now. Nanomedicine is changing the way we treat cancer by making it smarter, safer, and more effective. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.